Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix C510 error in Roomba vacuum cleaner. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing you need to check here is you need to check if you can remove the vacuum bin. Now first things first, detach the vacuum bin from the robot by pressing the bin release upon button located on the back of the robot. This action allows for a true inspection of the bin to identify any potential issue, in this case the error C510. Now next thing you want to do is you want to check for debris or damage. Examine the bin, sensor, and connection port for any debris or damage. If present, use a soft cloth to clean them gently, and sometimes dust or dirt accumulation may obstruct the sensor or connection port, triggering a false error. In such cases, a gentle wipe can resolve the issue, and additionally inspect the bin for cracks or dents that could impact its fit and functionality. Third thing you want to do is you need to reinstall the vacuum. Slide the vacuum bin back into the bin slot until it audibly clicks into place. Ensure a secure attachment to the robot to re-establish the connection between the bin and the sensor. A confirming click sound will indicate a successful attachment, and verify the bin stability by gently wiggling it to confirm it's securely in place. Now finally, restart the vacuum. Press the button located on the top of the robot to initiate a restart. This action clears the error code and resumes the cleaning cycle. If the error has been successfully resolved, a green light on the robot screen and a voice prompt saying ready to clean should be observed. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.